Ted is in on a gray day, but you did see some peaks of sunshine out on our weather patio.
That's right. Yeah, I see some little gaps developing in the clouds. The lower clouds have begun to lift a little bit along with the fog. You see all this in time lapse. Here's a look at what we've been seeing the last couple of hours as we look northward from our studio with our Lewiston auto camera. Lower clouds drifting from south to north, and the higher clouds coming in from the west ahead of that storm system. Low clouds lifting as you see the surface winds out of the south drawing in that warmth and mixing out some of that fog at the same time. Now you see some little gaps in the clouds, little bright spots anyway, and when you see a little bit of that through the afternoon, not an appreciable amount of sunshine, but there will be, with at least those south winds helping the cause, a little bit of a bump in temperatures on the way to the mid-40s as we have a breezier setup in place right now. At 37, it feels like 28, winds 16 miles per hour, so it may not feel a lot warmer. That's the problem with this time of the year. We had a warmer day. A lot of times it's accompanied by more of a solid breeze, and that's going to really cut into that feels like temperature. 37 in Rochester, Preston 38, and there's the source of some of that warmth. It's still building to the north right now. 46 right now in Austin, 47 in Mason City. So the weather story today, breezy and mild, at least mild for this time of the year. We're talking mid-upper 40s, some spots may even touch 50 degrees. Not too far to go for places like Mason City and Austin right now. Heavy rain is possible tonight, as much as an inch of rainfall, and then sunshine begins to break through. We'll see some of that as soon as Friday, at least expansive sunshine. We're going to stick with maybe a glimpse of the sun today in that weather picture. We see the higher clouds coming in ahead of that storm system that's coming out of Colorado and out of Kansas. Rain spreading in our directions. Already some snow way north of us with a separate system. That's up in North Dakota, where they're expecting about 3 or 4 inches of snow, but nothing like that for us. This is going to be a rain producer. There's a lot more warmth coming out of the Missouri Valley. You see 58 right now in Sioux City, 59 in Omaha. We're not going to get there, but some spots may touch 50. In fact, Algona already has. So a milder day today, breezy, and eventually some rain. See those showers come in after about 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. High temperatures mid-40s. Again, some spots a little warmer than south and westward. And the rainfall timing, the heaviest rain from midnight until about sunrise tomorrow. The possibility of as much as an inch of rain. Behind the system, some snowflakes mix in, but just a trace amount is what we're expecting now through about lunchtime tomorrow before we begin to dry out. But it's going to be a colder day tomorrow behind the system. But here's Futurecast. Gray skies, peaks of sunshine. That's it. We'll be optimistic and see at least a few of those, and we'll talk about that right now. But here's some of that rain that begins to work its way to the weather picture after 8 o'clock. Heaviest rainfall midnight until just before sunrise tomorrow as a wave of low pressure moves through. Behind it, we're looking at just a little bit of snow. This is a trace amount, maybe a minor coating north and west of us, but nothing measurable in our area. We'll have a couple of spotty showers through about lunchtime, and then falling temperatures. High temperatures around sunrise, around 41, 42 degrees. Will drop to the low 30s by late in the day, and then some clearing right around sunset tomorrow as high pressure comes in, diminishing those winds eventually. It's setting the stage for a chilly but bright and quiet Friday. It'll start off in the teens, but we'll make our way back to the 30s with that sunshine Friday. Rainfall amounts up to an inch over the course of that 24-hour period from this evening through tomorrow afternoon. So it looks like a soggy situation as far as snow goes. We're looking at maybe just a little bit of that in our northwest counties, a trace to maybe a tenth of an inch, but that might even be optimistic. Not a whole lot of snow in our local area. Temperature-wise, not bad overall. A couple of chilly days behind this system, but still some low 40s heading into early next week. For the time being, some decent weather as temperatures go anyway. Mid-40s, shot at 50 in Austin, but 45 in Zumrota, 51 Mason City, and 48 in New Hampton. Looking at some cloud cover, a breezy, mild day, peaks of sunshine, 44 here in Rochester. Rain likely tonight, 39. Temperatures not falling much. Those gusty south winds and raw northwest winds up to 30 miles per hour. Morning rain, windy and cold, 41 the morning high temperature. We'll see those temperatures drop through the course of tomorrow. And then some sunshine, at least for the weekend.
Looking forward to that.
That'll be nice. Nice stretch of 4 quiet days.
Sounds great.